Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, my fellow students. Hi there. I'm Christian Joy J. Cordova, and I'm currently earning a bachelor's degree in elementary education at Tarlac State University College of Teachers Education. And this is the topic of my report: transformational generative grammar. Before I start my discussion, I will give you a quote first. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Why they say a teacher is like a candle? Because she or he has spent her or his life to teach others, to light the right way or right path of their students. This is the table of content of my topic. 1. What is transformational generative grammar? 2. Transformational grammar. 3. Universal grammar. And 4. Generative grammar. What is transformational generative grammar? Transformational grammar, or also called transformational generative grammar (TGG), a system of language analysis that recognizes the relationship among the various elements of a sentence and among the possible sentence of a language and use processes or rules, some of which are called transformation, to express these relationships. The transformational grammar is a theory of grammar that accounts for the construction of a language through linguistic transformation or phrases structures. According to Noam Chomsky believed that has recursive rules allowing one to generate grammatically correct sentence over and over. We all know Chomsky is the one who introduced the linguistic of generative grammar, which has proved to be very influential. Now, there are many different types of generative grammar because grammar build up the structure of a sentence piece by piece, adding something at each steps until the sentence structures is complete. According to Noam Chomsky again, our brain has mechanism which can create a language by following the language principle and grammar. Because Chomsky believed that if a human growing up under normal conditions, it's always develop a language with properly. For example, distinguishing nouns from verb. Example, in a sentence, Christian laugh. Christian is the noun phrases, while laugh is the verb phrases. Again, another example. The woman laugh. The woman is the noun phrases and the laugh is the verb phrases. Number 2. Transformational grammar. Transformational grammar is a type of grammar that describes a language in terms of transformation applied to an underlying deep structure in order to generate the surface structure of a sentence that can actually occur. For example, Christian read the books. In other terms, the book was read by Christian. Number 3. Universal grammar. Universal grammar is a theory that suggests that some rules of grammar are hardwired into brain and manifest without being taught. Types of universal grammar. Number 1. Poverty of stimulus. According to Chomsky, number 1. There is an infinity of expression in language. Number 2. It has been proved by formal logic that, that if there is an infinity of expression in language is true. Children will need negative evidence to acquire language. Positive evidence is not enough. Number 3. Children do not generally get negative evidence. Number 4. Children do acquire language. Therefore, Chomsky telling that language is not learned from evidences. Number 2. Contrates the principle cannot be learned because they don't have the cognitive ability to understand the principle of grammar as a system. Number 3. Pattern of development are universal because children learn the various aspects of language in very similar order. Generative grammar. Generative grammar refers to a set of rules that can predict which combination of words are able to make grammatically correct sentences. It is a theory of grammar that holds the human language even in the brains of the children. Example: the correct sentences is that's how you say it, while the wrong sentences is how's that you say it. And that is all my report. Thank you and have a blessed day.